Which of the following is not a eligibility of to be a Vice President of India? So A is more than 35 years. The qualification to be the Vice President of India are be a citizen of India, have complete more than 35 years of age, not hold any office of profit. The Vice President must be qualified for election as a member of Rajya Sabha, यानी कि Council of State, in which schedule the index of a state and union state have been given. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? इसका आंसर होगा फर्स्ट शेड्यूल. The first schedule of Indian Constitution deals with the list of state and union territory and their territories. The Indian Constitution contains 12 schedules. The schedule 9, 10, 11 and 12 are added later in original constitution. Second schedule contains provision of the president, governor of the state, speaker and deputy speaker etc. Fourth schedule contains the provision as the allocation of a seat in Rajya Sabha. Fifth schedule contains the provision as to the administration of tribal area in the state of Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya and Mizoram. According to the constitution, of which of the following article provide the protection of life and personal liberty? So Article 21. Article 20 prohibits the conviction of a person except the violation of a law in force and prohibit the multiple punishment for a person for the same offence. Article 21 grant that no person shall be deprived for his life of his life and personal liberty except according to the procedure established by the law. Article 22 provides that the person shall be informed of the ground of his arrest. He shall be legal practitioner for his choice of his choice. Article 23 prohibits the traffic of in human being and forced labor. What is the name of who chaired the single member commission on the India-Bangladesh border issue? Ram Upanmayu Hajarika. Supreme Court constituted one-member commission on India-Bangladesh boundary under Upamayu Hajarika. The commission has recommended that the apex court order a high-powered inquiry into issues concerning illegal migration from Bangladesh, which is threatening to reduce the indigenous population of Assam to a minority by the year of 2047. The Hajarika Commission suggested creation of a sterile zone by the demarcating the identifying of a particular stretch from the international boundary in the remaining area and provision of identity card to villagers there. Tell the name of Indian president who had used the pocket veto in India Postal Amendment Bill. Uh, Gyani Jail Singh. Gyani Jail Singh, President of India from 1982 to 1987, exercised a pocket veto to prevent the Indian Post Office Amendment Bill before forming becoming law. Article 111 of the Indian Constitution stipulates that the President shall give an assent to a bill, but the Indian Constitution does not give a specific time limit for the presidential action on a bill sent by the Parliament. Thus, this power of the President is considered as a veto power. The term oligarchy was used by the Robert Dahal to describe a form of government in which. तो इसका आंसर होगा people act both through the electoral system and the group process. Polyarchy refers to the people act both through the electoral system and the group process. In other words, it is a form of government in which power is invested in multiple people. Robert Dahl was a political theorist who gave the popularist theory of democracy a preface to democratic theory who govern the popularist list govern democracy in the United States are his major work. Which of the following state has a bicameral legislature? Maharashtra. The seven Indian states Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir have bicameral legislature. In these states, upper house is called the state legislative council यानी कि विधान परिषद. The 100th amendment in our constitution is related to which of the following? Protection of which of the following? Okay. The acquiring of territories by India and transfer of certain territories to Bangladesh. Constitution 100 Amendment Act 2015 ratified the land boundary agreement between India and Bangladesh. The act named the first schedule of the constitution to exchange the disputed territories occupied by both the nations in accordance with the 1974 bilateral LBA land boundary agreement. Article 21A of the Indian Constitution illustrates the which of the following rights. The right of education. Article 21A of Indian Constitution provides the fundamental right of free and compulsory education of the children between 6 to 14 years. This provision was inserted by the Constitution 86 Amendment Act 2002. To fully and efficiently implement this fundamental right, government enacted the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. What is the minimum age requirement for the appointment of the Prime Minister of India? 25 years if he or she is a member of Lok Sabha. Qualification of Prime Minister of India includes be a citizen of India, be a member of Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha, be above 2025 year of the age if they are a member of Lok Sabha, or above 30 year of the age if they are member of the Rajya Sabha. Not hold any office of profit under the Government of India. Who appoint the governor of a state in India? President. The governor is appointed by the President of India in term of 5 years. The governor hold office at the President's pleasures. Article 153 of the Constitution deals with the post of governor. What is the retirement age of the Chief Justice? 65 years. The service tenure of the Chief Justice of India is 5 years or until the age of 65 years. The present CJI Justice Ranjan Gogoi and is the 46th CJI since 3 December 2008. Article 124 of the Constitution of India provides the matter of appointing the judge of Supreme Court. The member of Rajya Sabha are elected by. The member of Rajya Sabha are elected by the member of Legislative Assembly of a state. The member of Rajya Sabha are elected by the member of Legislative Assemblies of a state. That's why Rajya Sabha is also known as the House of a State. The term of a member of Rajya Sabha is 6 years and it is a permanent house and it cannot be dissolved. 12 members are nominated by the President in Rajya Sabha. The Constitution Day of India is observed on 26th November. 26th November is recognized as the Constitutional Day. On 26th November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India and it came into the effect of 26 January 1950. That's why it is celebrated as the Constitutional Day. From the following former Prime Minister whose name can be found on Indian currency: Dr. Manmohan Singh. Currency note does not carry the signature of Prime Minister but it carries the sign of the RBI Governor. From the above option, the name of the Manmohan Singh can be seen on currency. Note because before the Prime Minister he served the RBI Governor. Manmohan Singh became the 15th RBI Governor and served RBI from 1982 to 1985. In 2014, the Dash Lok Sabha was elected 16th Lok Sabha. The member of 16th Lok Sabha were elected during the 2014 Indian general election. The elections were conducted in 2000 in 9 phases from 7 April 2014 to 12 May 2014 by the Election Commission of India. The results of the election were declared on 16th May 2014. The Bharatiya Janata Party of the NDA achieved the absolute majority 282 seat out of 543. Secularism means freedom of religion and worship. Secularism is a belief system that rejects the religion or the belief that the religion should not be part of the affairs of the state or the part of the public education. With the 42nd Amendment of the Constitution of India enacted in 1976, the preamble to the Constitution asserted that the India is a secular nation. Institution to recognize and accept all the religion enforce parliamentary law instead of religious law and respect popularism. India does not have any official state language. Who was the Chief Justice of India in 2016? T.S. Thakur. T.S. Thakur was the 43rd Chief Justice of India. He was appointed the Chief Justice of India on 18 November 2015. He retired on 4 January 2017 on turning of 65 years of the age. Who was the 66th Republic Day guest of India? President of USA Barack Obama was the guest of the 66th Republic of India on 26 January 2015. On this day, an all-women unite marched on Rajpath for the first time. Maiden appearance of MiG-29K fighter jet and anti-submarine aircraft are made. Under the Indian Constitution, legislative power are vested with the Parliament. Legislative power under the Indian Constitution are vested with the Parliament of India, which is headed by the President. After the general election, the Parliament is inaugurated by the President. It is also inaugurated by the President at the beginning of the first session every year as given in Article 87(1). How many members are nominated by the President of India in Rajya Sabha? 12. Under the Article 80 of the Constitution, 12 members of the Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President of India from the amongst persons who have a special knowledge or practical experience in respect of such matter as literature, science, art, and social service. By adopting the principle of nomination in Rajya Sabha, the Constitution has ensured that the nation must also receive the service from of the most distinguished person of the country who have earned distinction in their field. These members are nominated by for 6-year tenure, which is the oldest high court in India. तो हो जाएगा कोलकाता हाई कोर्ट. कोलकाता इज द ओल्डेस्ट हाई कोर्ट इन इंडिया. कोलकाता हाई कोर्ट इज एस्टेब्लिश्ड ऑन 1 July 1862 under High Court Act 1891. Presently, it has jurisdiction over the state Bengal and the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Island. It has the sanction strength of 72 judges. Thank you.